I come to talk about the role of urban trees. Effectively, urban trees play a decisive role for the invasion of forest pests and pathogens. For several reasons. One of them is that urban trees are near the entry points, seaports, airports, big railway stations, and also big areas where wood processing materials are being used. And in this kind of environment, also there is a facility for these pathogens and pests become established, which is related with the huge diversity of trees and also some not, I would say, healthy conditions for trees in urban areas because they are suffering from drought or air pollution, and this might become them more susceptible, and so which would facilitate the establishment of these insects. And after establishment, they will spread, and they will spread for urban areas, peri-urban areas, and also rural areas. And this will become a focus of the forest pests and pathogens to spread all over the country, and that's what we have been studying. And what is the main result from these conclusions is that we should also invest on the first detection on urban areas, either using citizen science or using traps or using other kinds of methods. Because if you detect it very early, when the area that is occupied is still short, we can still eradicate. And there are dozens of examples where eradication was taken in urban areas, actually, in these very early spots where the first occurrence were detected.